Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what logs you may want in your security information and event management. First of all, we must know why we are using SIEM. SIEM is we are using to see what is happening in our organization. Okay, and the main function of it: collect the logs, store them, analyze it and present in a sensible form. So it's your choice, it's your understanding what you will give as a input. It will evolve it, it will analyze it and will present in front of you. So first of all, you need to understand your requirement, what you want exactly. So carefully craft it and give the input as per your output. Okay, and what that output can be or input can be, in today's session we will discuss. As you can see here, this is the SIEM. Okay, if you want to know who is attacking on us, how did they just cross the security settings, security postures of our company, okay, and what they get from our organization, what they want to steal or what they stolen from our organization. We need to, if we want to know, we need to closely observe our logs, our systems. Okay, so from which devices if we can collect the logs? The maximum we collect the log, we have the better picture of our organization, of our network. Okay, and we would be able to see it, what is happening in our network. Here in top Fortune 500, the companies every month they just collect the 10 TB of the data only of the logs only. So it can be huge, understand. And now the question comes, on which devices we should collect the log. They can be network traffic, your network devices, your routers, switches, firewalls, IPS, IDS, VPN concentrator, endpoint security. Okay, your system logs, applications log, software logs, user data. Okay, your wireless devices, your access points, mobile devices, your cloud services, whatsoever in your network, in your company. Collect the maximum logs, tune those, fine tune those, and the SIEM will give you the better picture. Because when we implement the security controls, those security controls will tell you what happens right now. There is no correlation between a event from where it start. Okay, what was the before steps and what was the after steps. Let's take an example. For example, you are having some security setting on your edge. Okay, some firewalls, IDS, IPS here, and hacker is on the internet. Okay, and they somehow trying to enter from your network. Okay, here is IDS, it just generates some alert. Okay, a alert is here, and somehow they entered on our network and reached to the end devices, which was the target of those. What was the target of that hacker? And this hacker is now able to control the devices. maybe downloading some malware from their command and control server. Okay, and we are having antiviruses on our systems. Okay, endpoint security, and it also generates some alert. If we see the picture in separate events or separate alert way, it's not making any sense. IDS never come to know yes what's happening on the end devices. Okay, or end devices will never come to know as some alerts were generated by the IDS. But if we have configured our SIEM properly, the logs, whatever the log generated here and can come on in the SIEM, and it can correlate it. It can make a sense. Some alerts generated here on the IDS, and immediately a PC, end device, try to communicate the malicious website, and from over there they just tried to download a code which was malicious when executed on the end devices. So clear cut, there is a sign of attack. It's just giving us in clear cut indicators or indicator of compromise. Okay, so here is being an event analysis. Human, the security analyst will take the decision, yes, this is a clear cut evidence of an attack, block that traffic immediately, take the action and remediate it. So our SIEM is giving us a broad picture what is happening in our network on our devices, and better we will be able to see, better we will be able to monitor, then we would be able to secure our infrastructure, data, users, whatsoever we are using in our company from the hackers, from the cyber attacks. So I hope you understood what we should include to get the logs in our SIEM, okay, and how it just work and can give us the better understanding about our network and what's happening on it, and immediately we can take action. Yes, this is the attack, guys, stop it. Okay, and can save our organization from different kind of cyber attacks. So follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share this session with your friends, group members, as many as with you can share. Just share so that they can understand how the SIEM is working, what logs should be as an input, and as per the input it will give us a wonderful insight, wonderful output which we can correlate and can take the action for the highly prioritized alert or the attacks. See you in the next session. Namaste.